I know you'll all be eager to see WorkSpace and our copy engine. So in this demonstration, imagine you need to write a Facebook ad for the Tesla Model Y. I'm going to show you that it only takes 3 quick and easy steps to complete this task. Step 1 is to create your target audience. This can be achieved in a number of ways. You can search over 100,000 ready-made consumer profiles using Roy Morgan single source, upload first-party data, or use Helix personas. In this example, I'm going to undertake a simple word search using Roy Morgan single source. I will show you the first-party data and Helix personas options a little later. Instantly, you can see that there are 583,000 people interested in buying an electric vehicle. We select this audience and click Add. Now the magic begins. WorkSpace automatically identifies emotionally similar people and organises the 583,000 electric vehicle intenders instantly into 4 segments. Each segment is automatically given a unique name and description and saved for sharing with members of your team or for future use. The segment names and descriptions are specific to this audience and created dynamically. They are not pre-cooked. The first segment, Urban Elite, make up 33% of the audience, while family-centric settlers are 29%, ambitious achievers 24%, and cautious homebodies 14%. Let us have a closer look at the Urban Elite and cautious homebody segments. Using the automated description, we can see that Urban Elites are socially aware, confident achievers who are looking for high-quality experiences. Many are early adopters and are driven by ambition and the desire to make a positive impact. Compare this with the cautious homebodies. They are cautious, family-focused, worried about the cost of living. They value security and stability and are driven by simplicity. So you can quickly see that within our electric vehicle audience, we have very distinct types of buyers. Already it isn't hard to imagine the kind of copy that would resonate. The content, tone and style would be very different for each segment. Now we've selected and segmented our audience, let us move on to the next step. Firstly, we need to add some information about the brand, Tesla. The account screen enables us to add the company name, overview, tone of voice and logo. Now we add information about the specific product, in this case the Model Y. Here we select the product category, description and unique value proposition. All these ingredients, the audience, the brand and the product, are used when creating the final copy. And the important thing is that these objects are saved in the system and can be shared or reused for future use. Let us move on to the third and final step. Next, we set up the project for the ad campaign, giving it a name and description, adding specific campaign tone of voice, goals, etc. And now all our ingredients are prepared, we bring them all together by selecting the product and audience. Here we can select the total audience or a specific segment. The campaign funnel stage, here we've chosen top of the funnel. The platforms we wish to produce ads for. Any keywords, the moment or the theme, for example, the birth of a child or buying your first home, and any geographical preferences. And instantly the ads are created. How easy is that? Here we've created the Facebook ad for the Urban Elite segment for the Model Y for a top of the funnel campaign. The ad is displayed with a number of versions to choose from. Let's read the text. Discover the ultimate SUV experience with Tesla's Model Y. Engineered with advanced technology and designed for sustainability, it brings unmatched comfort and practicality. Whether you're in the city or on the open road, experience the perfect blend of innovation and performance. Witness how the Model Y's impressive range and autopilot features can transform your drive. Explore a vehicle that continuously improves with over-the-air updates. Discover Model Y today. Remember, this copy is aimed at the urban elites where quality, prestige and innovation matter. While we appreciate most brands have their own image library, our copy engine provides a set of image recommendations for each audience segment. Here we can see 5 recommendations for the Urban Elite campaign. Images that reflect urban elegance, eco-adventure, family comfort, charging made easy, and innovation in motion. The copy engine also automatically matches the selected audience segment, in this case the Urban Elite, with the targeting categories offered on the various digital platforms. Here we provide a ranked list of postcodes based on the concentration of the Urban Elite in each postcode and recommendations as to which platform targeting categories to select. For example, interests such as restaurants, books, movies, exercise and fashion. This now means that you can target ads for the Urban Elite on Facebook, Google and Bing without having to try and guess what to say and who to target. Usually digital ads have a link to a landing page. The great news is that our copy engine automatically creates landing pages and EDM copy for these same audience segments. In this example, we can select the product, the audience or audience segment, how many text blocks or versions, and how much text we want in each block to create our landing page copy. A template of the landing page for the Urban Elite is instantly created along with image recommendations and copy variation options. Let's read the first block. Leading the electric revolution. Discover the Tesla Model Y, an electric SUV that blends cutting-edge technology with unparalleled performance. With its impressive range and Tesla's autopilot system, it offers a seamless driving experience. Over-the-air updates ensure the Model Y evolves with you, continuously improving efficiency and convenience. Revel in the spacious interior designed for comfort and style, backed by Tesla's renowned supercharger network for easy charging. Next, I'd like to explore in more detail some of WorkSpace's key features that we've touched on in creating our Model Y copy. WorkSpace is a collaborative platform designed to be used by agencies or brands. The account screen ensures work is organised under the relevant account and that team members can be assigned to these accounts. Next, these accounts are associated with projects, products and audiences that can all be saved and shared. So, for example, a product or audience can be used by many projects. This increases productivity and ensures that the same definitions or criteria is used by all team members. A principal component of WorkSpace and what makes it very different to the many ChatGPT-driven tools out there is the ability to create audiences using real data. Often clients will have their own data or are running the Roy Morgan pixel on their website and want to use this to create an audience. WorkSpace is very flexible and enables you to leverage the 100,000 plus ready-made consumer profiles using Roy Morgan single source, upload first-party data, or use Helix personas. We saw earlier an example of how easy it is to word search Roy Morgan single source. Now, here on the left is an example of using first-party data where we uploaded our field interviewer details so we could profile them and run a digital campaign to recruit more. Not surprisingly, our field staff cover all areas of the country, are both young and old, progressive and conservative. Armed with this knowledge, WorkSpace segments them and creates job ads that truly resonate. In the second example, we've used a Helix persona pixel profile of people who have visited specific pages on a tourism website. Again, there are significant differences in the visitor profiles, so the ads can be tailored to reflect this. We believe the ability to load first-party data is a game changer as WorkSpace unlocks the value of your own customer data in a truly unique and powerful way. Although WorkSpace is just launching, I'd like to share with you some early results. Firstly, we took a Facebook ad written by an agency partner that was being used in market for one of their clients. Next, we created 4 ads, one for each audience segment. We then undertook a side-by-side test to see which ad the audience preferred. The result? 75% preferred the ad written by our copy engine. Next, we conducted an EDM A/B test with one of our agency partners, where half the recipients received an EDM written by the agency's creative team and the other half an EDM written by our copy engine. The result? WorkSpace's EDM open rate was 1.4 times higher and click-through rate 2.4 times greater than the agency EDM.